Hello everyone, welcome to a new video of my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can open terminal in Visual Studio Code. So if you are a beginner web developer, so you might need to open the terminal to use your JavaScript to check your JavaScript code by using terminal. So in this video I am going to show you that how you can open terminal. So for opening the terminal, you can use so many ways. So for example, in the top bar of the Visual Studio Code, you are seeing some option: file, edit, selection, view, go, run, terminal, help. So you already might think that opening the terminal you have to select the terminal option. So you are right. So select on terminal. So there is so many options called new terminal, split terminal, run tasks. There are so many options. So for creating or opening new terminal, you have to select on new terminal. So this is the interesting thing. So as you can see, there is a terminal has been opened in PowerShell. So there are so many terminal options that you can open. So you can see so many options here. So first one is PowerShell, which we opened few seconds ago. Then you can open terminal by using git bash, which I installed in my machine. So for if I open it in git bash, so another terminal is open, which is git bash. So git bash terminal looks like this one. So this is the one kind of a terminal. Okay, if you wanna open the command terminal in command prompt, then you can do it here. So which is cmd. For example, we have installed cmd in our Windows machine. So in so many ways that you can open terminal in your Visual Studio Code. So if I delete this, so if I show you another option, another way that you can open terminal, so how you can open it. So for open the terminal, you can use a shortcut of your keyboard. So for the shortcut is Control Shift P. Okay, then you have to write here toggle terminal. Okay, so this is toggle terminal. So if you open it, so as you can see, the terminal is opened in your Visual Studio Code. So this is the one way. So now I'm going to show you the last way, which is the most easy way that you can open terminal in your Visual Studio Code, which is, so you don't need to do any kind of you don't need to go any kind of functionality. All you need to do, you have to go to the bottom of the Visual Studio Code, then and hover your mouse where I hovered mouse in my PC. So then and then drag and drop and then drag it into the top of the Visual Studio Code, then the terminal will open. So in this way that you can open terminal in your Visual Studio Code. So I hope this will help you. So thank you guys, thanks for watching.